Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Lisette. Today I'm going to do something slightly different. I don't have a project for you, but I am having an unboxing video. And it's for Supertite Adhesives. I just got this in the mail and I'm really excited, and I'm going to open it up and share what I got with you. Now this box is full of tons of glue, and this glue will come in handy for all the crafting projects that I have in mind. So stay tuned, because I'll be using a lot of this glue in my future projects. This is Instant Superglue Thick. This has high viscosity, so it's thicker than your regular superglue. This one's polystyrene foam adhesive. Now this one sparks my curiosity because I work a lot with polystyrene, so I definitely want to work with that one for sure. This one is fabric tack adhesive, so this is for fabric. So again, this one's sparking my interest too. And this one is instant super glue with a brush. Oh, this will come in handy for smaller projects. I like this one. And this one is a dual tip max glue pen. Okay, so I am an avid scrapbooker, and lately I've been doing junk journals. I'm even considering opening another channel for junk journaling, but that's a whole other story, so I will definitely be using that pen. Instant Power Flex Gel. This one seems to be for stronger projects, and it's a gel form. Oh, this is Instant Superglue Kit. Now this is interesting because this, I believe, has an instant adhesive cleaner to it. So if you bond your fingers, you use the cleaner. So that's excellent. An Instant Glue Precision, Super Glue Precision. I like this one. Definitely would help me to create some flowers, which that'll be my next tutorial. So stay tuned for that one. And white screw glue. Hey, I use this a lot at home. So that is one popular item for sure. So again, I'm going to just show you what caught my eye. The Instant Super Glue with brush. Definitely will try this one. Of course, the screw glue. I use it a lot at home, also with fabrics over foam sheets. So here I'm just showing what I definitely sparked my interest is the polystyrene foam adhesive. The Instant Super Glue Kit, I love the fact that it has an adhesive cleaner. The Instant Glue Precision, this will come in handy. I'm going to be making some flowers, so stay tuned and I'll be using that glue. And of course, how can we forget the all-purpose universal glue, Silicona Liquida Universal, that comes in 2 sizes. You could visit my link in the description box below and you will receive a 15% off by using my coupon code. It is an affiliate link. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Comment below to see what projects you would like to see on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to visit my Etsy shop, and you can follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. Until next time, and God bless.